Good day everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I am going to show you how you can add a free VPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. VPN is generally used for security, privacy and to access restricted content or websites. And if you want to set up a free VPN yourself, then in this video I am going to tell you the easiest way to do that. But make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So first of all, you have to click on this Windows icon, then click on settings. And on this settings page, now you have to click on network and internet. And in this list, you will get this VPN option. Click on VPN and at the top of this page, you will get add VPN button. Click on add VPN and this small window will open. On this window, first option is VPN provider and by default, it will be Windows built-in. Next option is connection name. So in connection name, you can type any name. I am going to type technical. And then next option is server name or address. In this box, you have to type server address. For that, now you have to open your favorite browser. Then go to this address bar and type here VPN gate. Once you have typed VPN gate, just hit enter. And at the top of this page, you will get VPN gate official website. Just click on it and this kind of interface will open. On this page, you will get all kind of VPN with the speed and location. You can choose any one. I am going to choose this one because this one is providing maximum speed. And here in left hand side, this is server address. Simply you have to copy this server address, then open this window and here you have to right click, then click on paste. Once you have pasted server address, then next option is VPN type. Click on this drop down menu and here you have to select Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol SSTP. And then next option is type of sign-in info and by default it will be username and password. And in this box you have to type username and in this box you have to type password. If you go to this website, then here it says you may connect to any of these server with username VPN and password VPN. So in username you have to type VPN and in password you have to type VPN, right? In both boxes you have to type VPN, then simply you have to click on save and then you can see VPN have been created. Now whenever you want to connect this VPN, simply you have to click on this connect button. But before I connect this VPN, I want to show you my current IP address and location. So in this address bar I will type show my IP address, then I will open this website. And here you can see this is my IP address 106.216.124.35 and location is India. Now let me connect this VPN. So I will click on connect button and within few seconds this VPN will be connected. As you can see now this VPN is connected. Now let me go to this website and I will reload this website and now you can see my IP address is 219.100.37.245. That means my IP address has been changed. And location you can see it's Japan, Tokyo. If a specific server is not working or down or you want to change the location, then simply you have to disconnect this VPN. Then click on this drop down menu. If you want to remove this VPN, simply you have to click on remove button. If you want to change the server address, that means if you want to change the location, then click on advanced option, then click on edit and then go to this website and from this website you can copy any server address like from Japan, Republic of Korea, Russia, Romania. You can copy any server address. So in this manner you can set up a free VPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.